level,
niveau,
labor,
travail,
ladder,
échelle,
lady,
dame,
lament,
lamenter,
lamppost,
lampadaire,
landlady,
propriétaire, femme,
landlord,
propriétaire,
landscape,
paysage,
language,
langue,
lately,
récemment,
later,
plus tard,
latest,
le plus récent,
letter,
lettre,
laughter,
rire,
laundry,
blanchisserie,
laboratory,
laboratoire,
lawyer,
avocat,
layer,
couche,
lazy,
paresseux,
leader,
chef,
leadership,
leadership direction,
learn,
apprendre,
learning,
apprentissage,
leather,
cuir,
lecture,
conférence,
legal,
légal,
legendary,
légendaire,
leisurely,
tranquille,
lemon,
citron,
lemonade,
citronnade,
lend,
prêter,
lesson,
leçon,
lever,
levier,
liable,
responsable,
liberal,
libéral,
liberate,
libérer,
liberation,
libération,
liberty,
liberté,
library,
bibliothèque,
license,
licence,
lighten,
éclaircir,
lightning,
foudre,
likely,
probable,
limit,
limite,
linger,
s'attarder,
liquid,
liquide,
liquor,
alcool,
listen,
écouter,
listener,
auditeur,
literary,
littéraire,
literature,
littérature,
little,
petit,
livelihood,
moyen de subsistance,
lively,
vif,
living,
vivant,
lobby,
hall,
local,
local,
locally,
localement,
locate,
localiser,
loneliness,
solitude,
lorry,
camion,
loudly,
bruyamment,
lovely,
charmant,
lover,
amoureux,
loyal,
loyal,
loyalty,
loyauté,
lucky,
chanceux,
luggage,
bagage,
lukewarm,
tiède,
lumbar,
lombaire,
lunatic,
fou,
luxury,
luxe,